Japan Bicycle Law 2026 New rules drivers must know. Starting April 1, 2026, bicycle rules in Japan are changing and drivers need to know this too. Starting April 2026, Japan will enforce stricter bicycle traffic rules with fines. And this affects drivers too. First, bicycles are considered vehicles in Japan. They must generally ride on the road, not the sidewalk. Now, let's look at the fines. Using a smartphone while riding can cost up to 12,000 yen. Ignoring traffic signals results in a 6,000 yen fine. Entering a railroad crossing when it's not allowed can cost 7,000 yen. Other violations include riding without lights, unsafe riding, or poor bike maintenance, typically around 5,000 yen. Even riding side by side or carrying a passenger can result in fines of about 3,000 yen. And here's the key point. Drivers must be extra careful when passing bicycles. Unsafe driving around cyclists can also lead to penalties. These rules are strictly enforced to reduce accidents. So whether you drive or cycle in Japan, you need to know these rules.